Pop it back.
Is on this. Good.
Good YouTube. It's been a little minute, but I'm back. It's not probably like a minute to you guys because I've been still recording. I just haven't been posting. But in all actuality, today is Saturday, October 17th, and I have an exciting vlog for y'all. I'm going to pew pew. Everybody going to die. I'm going to shoot some guns, y'all. Pop 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 pop. Nah, but I'm going to a gun range and hopefully they let me record. I don't really know if I can record or not, but I know I will be getting footage. Okay, period. So I will be getting footage for y'all at this gun range. It's me and my mother going, and it's one of her childhood friends' son. It's her childhood friend's son's birthday. I was trying to make it make sense. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna just show you guys the fit of the day. You guys are just gonna come along with me. So lately I've been working at a seafood place, like literally 6 out of 7 days. I could work 7 out of 7 days, but I need a day to relax. Okay, y'all already know my birthday is coming up. My birthday is November 1st, and it is in about 2 weeks, I say. Period. It's Saturday, so I say my birthday is about 2 weeks. Coke, Jelly She, I need to sponsor me, cool. Coke from Jelly She is my face. Natural face, face from birth. Face from God, face from parents. Yes, she's giving looks. And like lately I just been laying low and just chilling until my birthday. Y'all already know I'm a vlog. Everything I already ordered most of the things. I just have to order like a couple more things, and then oh baby, with this outfit, baby, y'all want to know where I got these shades? From Baltimore. I got these shades from Baltimore. I need to do a couple snaps. Hold on. Really need to put on some lip gloss for real. But yeah, I'm gonna just holler back at y'all when we get back in the car because I don't want to prolong this intro too much. But before we get into this lit vlog, L's for lit, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'm telling y'all, trust me, I just be coming out the blue with vlogs like this, okay? Like, one day I may want to go to the gun range, next day I may want to go to the safari. Like, I'm telling y'all, or the zoo or some shit. I also want to clarify that my content, I feel like I've been struggling with what kind of content I want to, like, I was thinking about this yesterday. I feel like I've been struggling with what kind of content creator I want to be. Like a beauty content creator, a lifestyle and vlog / advice, or a fashion. Like literally my content is everywhere. Like, cause I feel like I don't want to limit myself and put a title on what I do and what I produce and what I create and what I post. You feel what I'm saying? I don't want to do that. But then I also feel like it does create some type of organization to where it's like organization to where it's like, girl, like, you know the type of content you're doing. So it's like that could probably give me like a clear path, I guess. I don't know. You guys are just gonna see. I may post a vlog, may post a prank, may post this, that, and the fifth. So you guys are just gonna take the ride with me and come and grow with me, build with me. I was about to say, in my earliest videos, I feel like it was my first video. I said somebody asked me, what's your like main purpose for creating a YouTube channel or wanting to film for YouTube or whatever, and I was really giving a tea. Like, I was really like, I love entertaining people, I love giving advice to people, I love making sure everybody's straight, because I always feel like if that was me, how would I want this person to treat me? You know what I'm saying? So, and my camera tripod is blowing mine. Yeah, my camera tripod is blowing mine, so I'm just gonna have to speak to you guys later. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. All my social medias will be in the links down below. Go check those out. And yeah, bye. Well, see you guys in the next clip. I look cross-eyed. Yeah, I already know I'm cross-eyed. All right, anyway, not about me right now.
Oh, we can now? Okay. All right, cool. Come on.
Oh, we in? All right. So we just reached out, and we about to go in. Period.
Okay.
It's
But
my
y'all
mom.
need to come.
It's my mommy. Oh, she right there.
All right.
Period.
We're going to do one of these.
Pow, pow, pow.
You going to send me this, right? Pow, pow, pow.
Yeah, it's going on YouTube. It's my aunt, y'all. Hello. Yes.
Like, I'm trying to tell you. Babe, you got to stop your way about watching video, then we can stop. Come on.
This sounds crazy.
Come on, guys.
Oh, what's the long thing? Thank you.
I have. I think it's the time with
You all gotta watch it. Yeah. Y'all, of course he was standing right there, but y'all, they shooting. Oh, they got all them guns on them. Nah. We don't do that. All them guns. And my mom right here, she about to and you know we rocking the Chanel mask today. Matching Chanel mask. Huh? What? Yo, I don't know what gun to get. Help me, y'all. Comment down below what gun y'all think I should get. Ain't ordinary. Life is short. Oh, we out? Oh. Alright, y'all. So I figured why not vlog and show you guys the full scenery. Like I said, I'm trying to get better at vlogging. And I just find it kind of weird when I vlog in front of people and they watch me talk to myself. But, yeah. So I just walked away. Yeah, so these are, I don't know. Alright, listen, I don't know nothing about guns. So all I know is that these rifles are long. The rifles. These are handguns. I know that for a fact. We had to watch like a training video. What did I say? Which I think I'm seeing double letters though. How much a gun costs? $1,685 for a gun?
We gotta go see this 4 o'clock.
I was just talking about like they want $1,685 for a gun.
I'm gonna actually go for my license.
Their gun license? I support it. Me too. Oh, they got the scopes and all that. Ooh, these is clips over here. Ooh, they got hoodies. Ooh, this is giving me real GTA. Nah, this is giving me real GTA, Grand Theft Auto, and Call of Duty vibes. This is giving me that. And these are long too. I like these. These are props. Ooh. So we can hold it, right? Wait, are they props?
Here, let me show you this one.
Oh, striker fire. You see it, right? Oh, small. Yeah, let me get my grip right before I even. Alright, the grip is there. The grip is there. Pew, pew. Stop playing with it. I'm ghetto. Y'all can't bring a New Yorker to New Jersey.
Kicking the door, waving the 4-4. Don't hit me no more.
Kicking the door, waving the 4-4. Don't hit me no more. Oh Lord. You feel me? Hello. Y'all know about that Biggie. But yeah, this is the other side. It's really pretty in here and colorful. They're also hybrid, so if you live in New Jersey and you're interested in working here, this is what like the full store looks like. That's the entrance right over here, that way. But yeah, if you're interested, ooh, thank you. Yo, I got my goggles and my earplugs and all that. It's lit. You happy?
Yeah.
It's lit.
Yo, the pork, baby. Hang on.
You in with us?
You got target.
That's a 22 rifle. That's a 22 rifle.
That's the 22 rifle. This is the 22 handgun. This is the AR. This is the 9mm. 9mm. Who shooting 9mm? Go ahead, hang your target. Barrels are. Do not get so happy that you turn around and go, oh, did y'all see that?
Yeah.
That's gonna make me nervous, right? And the last time that happened, well, I just got out recently, but that's okay. We're not talking about that. No, I didn't shoot. But you're gonna make everybody in the room nervous. Not good. We're talking safety. This is the thing. We want you to have fun, but we want to be safe. All right. Second rule: always treat these guns like they're loaded. If you look at the way they're laid, they're on their left side. All right. That allows me to move back and forth between these ports and see into an empty chamber. Okay. If I can't see into an empty chamber, I don't know if it's loaded. If I don't know if it's loaded, that's gonna make me nervous. So I'm gonna stop stuff and make sure it ain't loaded. That's the way we like to keep it. All right. Third rule: do not put your finger on the trigger until your target is out there and you have the gun and you are pointed at the target and you have got the magazine. Look, other people gonna come in here. You help them. All right. Any problems? Let me know. If you want to shoot the 9,
He like that.
get to the 22.
He knows.
He happy.
Whoa!
It's loud, but it's all good.
My body is vibrating.
Yes, yes. When you leave here, you're going to feel it.
Now, can I get out?
Can you get out? Why don't you hang out with me for a little bit? Just a little bit.
I thought it was gonna be harder than that because it was so loud.
Here's the thing with this revolver.
Yeah.
Hold on. I got you right now.
Revolvers work single action, double action. Watch this.
All right, ready?
When it comes back.
That video looks fire. Hey, did you take my
one
video?
action. When it goes forward, that's another action. So that's why they call it double action. You gotta go back.
Hold on, Shane, how I load it
back and forward. This revolver doesn't work.
I load it.
Cock it back.
Is that see you bust that side?
That's the single action. All it has to do is pull forward. All right, so what you're going to do.
Yeah, I know. How to load it. You got to be stronger.
I don't have the strength.
Yeah, it's a strong gun like that. You probably want grease. You want grease, yeah.
This shit feel hot.
I need some grease.
So, here's what you do now. When you shot everything,
You brought it in?
open it up
Bring it in. Bring it in. Press hold.
to get the shell.
Carry it home.
No, he didn't shoot yet. Oh, you didn't? Go ahead and load them all up. Instead of
Let Shane load it for him. Where's Shane? Oh, nice. It went through my son.
Look, I ain't touching no.
Feel that, right? No, you can't push her now, do it. She's not gonna feel it.
You can hurt her like that.
Yeah, she can get hurt. She gotta feel it. She gotta only if you go back, then you
That's
can.
why I had my hand. I wasn't holding her tight. I was just holding.
Should be good. Load your magazine.
Pop it back.
Is on this.
Hold on.
You good?
Yeah.
For the recording, they want to.
Let me get by.
My bad, bro.
You good?
You can bring it closer, Janisha, if you want. You know.
Go closer.
That's 15 yards.
15 yards.
All right, go ahead. Yeah,
You shoot?
It's designed to shoot that far. That's all.
Yo, you see it? Hold it up. Can you see it?
The AR. Got more shots.
All right.
Sound like a firework.
It's kind of like an indoor 4th of July.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Finish, Mama?
Yeah, but it's still low.
Big boy he got. Big boy right there. Yeah. I want to hear it.
I can try the 9.
So you know how to load it?
No.
Okay. So you want to do every other one.
I'm on my whoa.
Look.
I'm gonna let you get this.
Okay.
She got scared. She ran.
No, I was like,
She just loaded or unloaded?
she just.
Okay. So I'm gonna put.
That shit got my ears ringing.
Yeah, I
I
told you.
I
bet.
don't like that.
I'm gonna show y'all mine when I get home. But I got a headshot. My mother got a couple headshots with my help, of course. No shade, but shade. Here's y'all go. Y'all wanna look? Here's the visual.
Oh, I like this.
I got you.
I like this. I like this.
Oh man.
Oh,
I like over here.
Good? You gonna shoot this? You already did? You shot this?
yeah, Mom.
Oh.
You want me to try it? Y'all gotta teach me how to hold it.
Got you.
All right, and then you go ahead and rest. Because my man is great. Great. He don't put up no.
This it?
Go ahead. You got a hold of the box.
I'm over here.
2, 2, 3. Are you gonna shoot all of them? No, I'm just asking. You can. Okay. All right.
It's the birthday boy.
Just like the 22. Put that in. Push this.
Hey, bro.
Okay.
Right side up.
Shoulder. Yeah. Get it up. Build it high. Look through here. Find that point.
Yes.
I ain't did not want to. Let me think. If it's almost like no kitchen. Oh.
We both missed.
Yeah. But you got some.
I missed too. This is my shot.
Oh, I thought those was mine.
I did. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You want to try it again?
Mm.
Let's go, cuz.
I'm coming.
Let's go. You gotta get at least one headshot. I'm gonna give you $1.
Cause we the big three, don't need a big speech. We made the biggest impact, check the spreadsheet. That's Lil Weezy, the Barbie, and Drizzy Drake. Niggas getting more cheese.